Lijiang Ancient Town, located in Lijiang City, Yunnan Province, China, is a historic city with a rich Naxi ethnic culture. It is renowned for its unique history, ancient streets, traditional architecture, and beautiful natural scenery. In 2007, Lijiang Ancient Town was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, earning the nickname Plateau Water Town. This ancient town preserves a significant amount of traditional Naxi architectural styles, predominantly featuring wooden and stone structures. The cobblestone streets are one of the iconic landscapes of Lijiang Ancient Town. Strolling along these ancient paths feels like a journey through time, allowing visitors to experience the profound history and culture of the Naxi people. The traditional buildings lining the streets are famous for their unique decorations and exquisite carvings, showcasing the architectural artistry and craftsmanship of the Naxi people. Lijiang Ancient Town, known as the Plateau Water Town, owes its name to the beautiful surrounding natural landscapes. The majestic Jade Dragon Snow Mountain serves as a spectacular backdrop, its towering snow-capped peaks complementing the Naxi architectural style. The water features around Lijiang, such as Hailantan, Baisha, and Shuhua, add a touch of tranquility and romance to the city. In addition to its architecture and natural beauty, Lijiang Ancient Town is a repository of rich Naxi cultural heritage. The town hosts traditional Naxi folk customs, religious ceremonies, and vibrant folk art performances, offering visitors a deeper understanding of the allure of this ancient culture. Traditional Naxi folk customs. Lijiang Ancient Town is one of the traditional settlements of the Naxi people, providing visitors with an opportunity to delve into the traditional way of life and folk culture of the Naxi people. This includes traditional attire, dietary habits, wedding ceremonies, and more. Visitors have the chance to witness unique Naxi dances, songs, and festive activities, experiencing the distinctive artistic style and ambience of this ethnic group. Religious ceremonies. The Naxi people of Lijiang Ancient Town follow Naxi Dongba religion, and various religious ceremonies are held in temples and shrines within the ancient town to seek blessings from divine spirits. Visitors may have the chance to participate in or observe traditional religious rituals, gaining insight into the Naxi people's reverence for nature and the divine. Folk art performances. Lijiang Ancient Town frequently hosts diverse folk art performances, including traditional music, dance, and handicraft demonstrations. These performances showcase the exquisite skills and unique styles of traditional Naxi art while providing opportunities for visitors to interact and engage with this rich and colorful cultural environment. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and be the first to join me on my next adventure. Lijiang Ancient Town boasts several famous attractions, such as the Big Water Wheel, Lion Hill, and Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. These landmarks showcase the uniqueness of Lijiang and attract numerous visitors. You can take a tour of the ancient town by riding the Big Water Wheel, climb Lion Hill for a panoramic view of the entire town, or visit Jade Dragon Snow Mountain to marvel at its magnificent natural scenery. Big Water Wheel. The Big Water Wheel in Lijiang Ancient Town is one of the local ancient hydraulic engineering wonders and a distinctive landmark. It represents the wisdom of the Naxi people who utilized mountain water sources. The wooden water wheel was used to channel water into irrigation channels, providing ample water resources for the ancient town. Visitors can stroll around the Big Water Wheel, appreciate the unique design of this ancient hydraulic project, and feel the wisdom of the Naxi people living in harmony with nature. Lion Hill. Lion Hill is a small hill near Lijiang Ancient Town and an ideal place to admire the panoramic view of the ancient town. Visitors can choose to hike or take a cable car to the summit of Lion Hill, overlooking the entire town with its red-tiled roofs, green trees, and the picturesque backdrop of blue skies and white clouds. Lion Hill also features ancient temples and observation pavilions, providing additional opportunities for visitors to experience the charm of Lijiang Ancient Town. Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. Located near Lijiang Ancient Town, Jade Dragon Snow Mountain is one of the renowned attractions in Yunnan Province. This majestic snow-capped mountain is often referred to as the Roof of Yunnan. Visitors can take a cable car or opt for a hiking adventure to appreciate the breathtaking views from the summit. The natural landscapes of glaciers, snow peaks, alpine meadows, as well as cultural elements like temples and spruce forests, create a magnificent and beautiful scenery, attracting countless tourists and photography enthusiasts. These landmarks collectively showcase the rich natural and cultural landscapes of Lijiang Ancient Town. Exploring these attractions allows visitors not only to experience the unique charm of Naxi culture but also to appreciate the magnificent beauty bestowed by nature on this land. Lijiang boasts a rich culinary culture, with the most distinctive being the Naxi ethnic cuisine.
Naxi cuisine revolves around staples like rice, noodles, vegetables, and meats, featuring mild and healthy flavors.
You can savor traditional Naxi dishes such as sour fish soup, spicy and sour noodles, and cross-bridge rice noodles, each with rich flavors and unique preparation methods.
Food streets and snack stalls. Food streets. Lijiang's food streets are must-visit places to indulge in local cuisine.
As you stroll along the cobblestone streets, you'll discover various snack stalls and restaurants offering a diverse array of Naxi dishes. Restaurants on these food streets often feature open-air seating and quaint decor, providing a delightful dining environment.
While enjoying local delicacies, you can also appreciate the enchanting scenery of the ancient town at night. Snack stalls. In the alleys and streets of Lijiang Ancient Town, you'll find numerous snack stalls, ideal for tasting local specialties. Try popular options like grilled fish, a beloved local dish that pairs fresh fish with unique seasonings, creating an aromatic delight.
Additionally, you can sample a variety of snacks such as grilled skewers, candied hawthorns, and jelly noodles, satisfying your taste buds.
Bar streets.
Besides food, Lijiang is also renowned for its unique bar culture. The bar streets in Lijiang host a diverse range of bars, offering a variety of beverages from local craft beers to international wines. Here, you can experience a rich exotic atmosphere, enjoy captivating performances, and relish the tranquility and coziness of the night. On these food streets and at snack stalls, you'll have the opportunity to taste the unique charm of traditional Naxi cuisine, experience the local way of life, and immerse yourself in the cultural atmosphere that makes Lijiang truly special.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.